precision. Hey, let me rock you out. Hey, girl, how are you wine all night?
Hey guys, it's your girl KAMAA NETE, and I'm back with another video. I have missed you guys so much. I hope you guys miss me. And so I'm about to go ahead and, do a little tutorial. Here we go. But first, I need you to like this. I need you to share it out. And I also need you to subscribe. Hit that button down below. Look at that face. She's not playing. So subscribe. Like, what are you doing? Let's go. Anyway, so I'm gonna be taking some e.l.f. primer and I'm gonna spray that. Lord, gosh, you see that? I also took some Fit Maybelline powder and I pressed it in with the primer so I don't get all sweaty because I was going out. Now I have a brown pencil and I'm gonna go in with my spoolie and we're gonna carve out these babies and we're gonna make them look like, sexy and funnest and like sisters. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you know what I'm saying. So look at that. Lord Jesus, what's that? I'm just playing, because now we about to carve it out with some Maybelline Fit concealer and we're gonna make sure they look great. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Now I'm looking like somebody. Now I'm coming together. So here I was thinking about, am I gonna do my face or my eyes? And I decided I was gonna do my face first. Whoa. So here it is. I got my sponge and we're just making sure it looks nice. And I'm gonna go in with my contour kit. I know the name is gone, I'm sorry. And it's a little chipped up, but it's alright, that's makeup for you. But we're gonna go in and we're gonna sculpt that baby. You know what I'm saying? Sculpt the baby. Here's me again, sculpting the face, just contouring that baby face. Yes, honey. Yes. Yes. Like, come on, show them. You know what you're doing. I also took some more of the Fit pressed powder. I'm sorry, I'm stuttering. And I just put that all on my highlighted point, so that's under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, a little bit under my cheeks, and a little bit on my nose. Anywhere where you would like conceal and make your highlight pop out. I say too much, but that's okay. So I have some blush and we're gonna go in and we're gonna build this on top of the contour a little bit, just to help sculpt the face and add some color, because your sis can't just be looking black. See, I had a little bit up top, but that's just me. I like it like that. Now I'm taking some banana powder and I'm just cutting at the bottom so that we can make that face a little more chiseled. You know what I'm saying? We gotta chisel it out. We gotta look like we've been snatched. We gotta be snatched. Like, there wouldn't be no other way. Look at that. So now I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself with this little natural beat. This is a natural beat too. If you wanted to add like some mascara, you could. Sorry, my nose ring was messed up. But now we're gonna go in and we're going to finesse these eyes of mine. We're gonna make them look poppin'. Stop feeling yourself, KK. What are you doing? Move. Let's go. So here I am with my James Charles palette, and I forgot what brush that was. I'm so sorry, but it's a crease and blending brush. And right here, I'm changing my mind, and we're going in with that nice, sexy, hot pink below. And we're gonna put that in the inner crease of our eyeball. Make sure you guys pack it in, then buff it out so that it doesn't look like you just threw mad pigment in one corner. See? I'm taking that same brush, I cleaned it, don't worry. And we're gonna go in with Cola. I know that name because that's my favorite color in that palette. And we're gonna go on the other side of the crease. And we're gonna blend that in. Make sure you guys blend. That is key here, to blend. Blend. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this teal and I'm gonna put it in the middle of the tube. Like, we're gonna clash together and love one another and become cotton candy. I have no sense, but it's okay because that's me. Look at that. You see what I'm talking about? You see? It just looks awesome. Now we're gonna go in with this and we're going to cut the crease. Look at that. I was trying to get it to dry. Yes. Now I'm going in with a smaller packer brush. I can't really see the number, so I can't repeat it. I'm sorry. And we're gonna take a little bit of, not a little bit, but we're gonna take 518, which is this nice neon orange, and we're gonna pop that in the inner part of our lid. Just look how beautiful it is. It's just coming together awesomely. Don't know if that's a word, but we're gonna use it today. And I'm gonna go in with this dark green, and we're gonna put that right next to our neon orange. And we're gonna make sure that we blend, because we don't want it to look like we just stamped it on there. If you need to go back into your orange to blend it out, do so, but we need to blend. Now I'm going back in with that teal because we lost it a little bit up top. And we're gonna just mix it in with that darker green to make it pop a little bit. You see that? It just makes it pop even more. But you don't take away from the green. It's still there, but you just blend it. Blend it very nicely. Oh, I was feeling myself already. We're not even done. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm proud of myself. Very proud. Now we're gonna go back in with that cola. And I decided to just bring that back at the bottom, and we're gonna buff it together. Because I put the primer there, it got a little stuck, but I managed to work it out. And you see that? Now here's a NYX white pencil. I'm gonna put that on the bottom of my waterline. And here I am looking like a clown, but we're not done here. We're gonna take some of that shimmery purple and we're gonna put it in the inner part of our waterline. Yes. Now we're gonna take some of that shimmery blue and we're gonna put it on the other side of our waterline. Come on, tell me that this is not coming together. We're gonna get some mascara, cause you know sis about to show y'all what she got in stock, but we gotta protect them lashes first. So here they are. From my girl Epic, I got some So Epic lashes in Sugar and Spice. Oh my gosh, when I tell you I love this girl's product, like if you watch any of my other videos, it's her lashes that I'm using. Look at them. Come on, come through, honey. Look at that. Now we're gonna get some highlighter and we're just gonna highlight all them spots that need to be highlighted. I don't know why I sang that, but it's okay. Here's a little old lipstick I always had, and yeah, I still use it. And here's Elf Liqueur lip gloss. I love it because it smells like cocoa butter. And we're gonna make some cocoa butter lips. Yes. Oh, I was looking good, but that hair and the outfit, it wasn't fitting. So let's fix that real quick. I'll be right back. Give me a second. Yes, honey. Clutch them pearls. Guys, this is the finished look, you know? And I think I did pretty good. Don't forget about my girl Epic. I'm going to put her link down below if you want to order some lashes. Her prices are very reasonable, so jump on it, okay, guys? Jump on it. And once again, me feeling myself with the finished look, and I think it came out so bomb. And this is also an inspirational video from a girl that I met on Facebook, and I decided to do my version, and you know, I think it came out really great. So I want to say thank you for inspiring me on doing this look. And guys, I hope you guys like this, so please make sure you like, share, and comment down below of how you felt about it. subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. I love you. Be my friends, my love, and family. Bye.